Some of the skills that are associated with emotional regulations is associated with some degree of emotional intelligence is your ability to feel your feelings, to allow it to be non-judgmental, to cultivate that compassion, to be able to be vulnerable and to share that, to express the pain. Usually when it comes to emotional regulation, we are talking about uncomfortable emotions, and really seeing that these uncomfortable emotions, that you have certain kind of needs underneath these emotions, and you need to find out these needs. You need to learn how to express it rather than repressing it. Avoiding it is not going to work out. Repressing is not going to be a healthy way of doing it. So really knowing it, realizing that, understanding the need, and really communicating that in a way that it is respectable, understand that this is okay to have them. That's really a big part of that.